A recent study found that 69% of women didn't realize that they were entering menopause when the symptoms first began. Many took it for stress, aging, or even something entirely, different. Another study revealed that 73% of women believe menopause contributed to the breakdown of their marriage. So husbands, if you want to stay ahead of the game and maybe stay married, here are a few signs to look out for. Mood swings. One moment she's calm and collected, and the next she's upset and frustrated, often without a clear reason. It's not you, it's the hormonal roller coaster in her body. Hot flashes. Sudden waves of heat that just comes from nowhere, and it doesn't matter if it's winter or summer, it just comes. What she needs is patience, not teasing. Low sex drive. This can be tough for couples. But remember, fellas, it is not personal, it is biological. A little bit of understanding will go a long way and will make all the difference. So if your wife is going through this, what she needs is empathy, not distance. Let's navigate menopause together. Subscribe for more tips you can actually use.